Good morning, dear student. Good morning, dear student. I, Aditya Bhatt, Assistant Professor in State University, Bhopal, and I'm taking course Engineering Drawing. And today, topic is diagonal scale. So now we know scale. It's simple. It is an instrument or a device which is used to measure the length of an object. Or other word, we can say it's measure size of an object. It measure size of an object. So basically, scale are full size scale, reducing size scale, and enlarging scale. And the further type is plane scale, diagonal scale, comparative scale, vernier scale, scale of chord. So our today topic is diagonal scale. Our today topic is diagonal scale. Clear? In diagonal scale, we will measure continue 3 unit, because in plane scale we can measure only 2 unit. Clear? So diagonal scale is used to represent 3 consecutive unit. Clear? It may be meter, decimeter, centimeter, or it may be kilometer, hectometer, decameter. It may be millimeter, centimeter, meter. It may be inch, foot, yard, etc. Clear? So now today problem is our today problem is a rectangular plot of land measuring 0.54 hectare is represented on a map by a similar rectangle of 3 by 2 centimeter. Calculate RF of the scale. Draw a diagonal scale to read single meter and long enough to measure up to 500 meter. So a distance of 430 meter on it. And now we know 1 hectare is equal to 10 to the power 4 meter square. So for solving a scale, we need RF of the scale. Second, we need maximum length of the scale. Third, we need length of scale of the scale. And fourth, we need least count or result. So now in this problem, everything is given. Now focus on the problem. Maximum length is given. Maximum length is up to 500 meters. So this is our maximum length. RF is given. RF is a representative fraction, length of an object to be drawing upon actual length of an object to be drawing. So length of object to be drawing is 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter, and actual length is 0.54 hectare. So with the help of this solution, you will identify RF. So first of all, you will identify RF. So actually the RF is the linear basis. So now we will calculate with the help of under root base. Area on drawing in centimeter square upon actual area of object in centimeter square. So now area on drawing is 3 by 2 is 6 centimeter square, 0.54 hectare, multiply by 10 to the power 4 is meter square, again multiply by 10 to the power 4 it becomes centimeter square. Finally our RF is 1 by 3000. Our RF is 1 by 3000. Next step, you will identify the length of a scale. So we know length of a scale is always the multiplication of RF into maximum length. So RF is given 1 by 3000 and maximum length is already given. What is the maximum length in the problem? The maximum length in the problem is 500 meter. So you will multiply by 1 by 300 into 500 meter. But we know the target is meter. So we will convert meter into centimeter. So now you will put here 100, because we know in 1 centimeter 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's why you multiply 100 centimeter. So now if final LOS is length of scale is 16.7 centimeter. 16.7 centimeter. So this is our length of face. So now we have the target. So next step, we will draw a horizontal line which is equal to 16.7 centimeter, which is equal to 16.7 centimeter. And now you will divide it. Now you will divide this line into 5 number of equal part. You will divide it into 5 number of equal part. Who will decide the equal part? Maximum length is divided into equal part. So our maximum length is 500 meter. So we can divide it into 100 each part. So you will take 5 division. You will take 5 division. So now you will divide this line into 5 equal division, and you will mark 0 to, you will mark 0 to right, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, because we left first portion 0 to left, 0 to left, because in this portion we read subunit of the main unit. In this portion we read subunit of the main unit. So next you will subdivide it into first column. So in meter, we know that each part represented 100 meter, and we will divide it 100 into 10 equal part. And you will write here 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. So each part represented 10, 10 meter. Each part represented 10, 10 meter. Now next, you will complete a rectangle. You will complete a rectangle, and you will take a 5 centimeter height. It's not compulsory, you will always take 5 centimeter height, but you will take near about 5 centimeter. Okay. So now next step, you will take a 5 centimeter height and complete the rectangular box, and erect perpendicular line through each division. So now this is a completed box rectangular. Now in the first box, again you will take a 10 division, because each part represented 10 meter. So final, in the horizontal vertical line, you will take a 1 part. 1 part is your represent single meter. This is the target of your problem. Next, you will draw a horizontal line. Next, you will draw a horizontal line through each of them to meet the opposite side. And now next, you will divide it into diagonal box, and you will read. So now you will write main unit, second unit, and third unit, and the value of RF here, and mark a distance of 430 meter on it. Thank you very much.